Dude, why do I look like I'm going to Hogwarts? Tin, 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 tin. Wingardium Leviosa. Hello guys, it's your girl Nurse Kirsten and we are back for another video. Today we are going to do a first impressions and unboxing of my very first order from Shein.
I think it's Shein.
I have a coworker at Ulta. She's told me so much good stuff about Shein, and whenever I see her outfits, they always look cute. And I'm like, where'd you get that from? She's like, Shein.
And so I said, you know what? I think I just have to go for it. She told me that the shipping was gonna be fast and it's always a good experience for her. So I was like, well, I might as well try it.
Now I do have to say, in the past, every time I order something that's like from Asia, what is going on over there? I'm recording. Every time I order something, like,
the quality doesn't really quite come looking like what I expected it to be. It's always, you know, a little... I do want to apologize if I do look a little crazy right now, like my hair looking dry and all that. I literally just went to the Kite Warehouse sale and it has been chaotic.
And I actually have received this package 2 weeks ago. I just got so busy I never did this video. So we are gonna do it now and get it over with.
All of the links to the products I have purchased will be down below.
They had a special discount because it was my first time ordering, and if I spend a certain amount, they took 20% off. So they did a 20% off and I had the free shipping.
Because it was like, it needed to be more than $80, something like that. I ordered it and then it came about a week and a half later. Not as bad as, you know, other companies that I've tried where I ordered from Asia and it's been like 3 weeks or an entire month of waiting.
They have like an okay return policy.
I have no experience with the returns yet. I don't think I'm gonna return anything just because it seems like a hassle and I've already waited like 2 weeks and I only have like a week left because everything needs to be returned within 45 days of purchase. And so by the time it gets back to their warehouse, I'm sure like it might take too long. I don't really know, but
I'm just hoping that I'm gonna love everything in here. And if I don't like something in here, I'm probably gonna give it to a friend. Here we go. I got my famous ER scissors, and here's the package. It just comes like this.
And I'm surprised that everything fit in here. Shoot, I hope I don't cut anything. Okay.
Oh, okay. I have been obsessing over like tweed stuff. It reminds me of like Clueless, or a little bit of the Chanel vibes. So I have been wanting a skirt like this. Okay, so this is a size small.
A friend suggested to me, like, as far as sizing, don't always go like get your usual size. Make sure you read and look at the actual item that you're gonna get, look at the measurements and go based off of that. So it's very important that you take your own measurement and see if it fits into the garment that you're trying to get, because it will range. So this is skirt number 1. This is one thing I ordered. It looks really cute. Honestly, the material is pretty good. Like, I'm surprised. I was thinking that's gonna be like kind of cheap looking, but this is not cheap looking.
It kind of reminds me of like Zara almost, except it's not as expensive as Zara. I like this. I just hope it fits me well. It looks like it will. You know, I always kind of underestimate or overestimate myself because ever since I gave birth, my body just changed.
I did read some reviews from people that like with the tweed skirts, they say like, oh, the buttons were a little loose, but this doesn't look loose. None of them look loose to me.
Love this.
And they have them in individual little bags.
Oh!
Jacket type of thing. So this one looks just like this. It's a little wrinkled. Well, it's pretty wrinkled.
You know, I'm not mad at it, but I got a size small. I think that's the smallest that they had. It's supposed to be like, dude, why do I look like I'm going to Hogwarts? Tin, 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 tin. Wingardium Leviosa.
Maybe, you know, if I didn't have my scrubs on, I wouldn't look like Harry Potter's friend.
You know, it's kind of cute. I'm sure if I try this on with a different outfit, it's gonna look cuter. It's relatively long. The material, I'm not too pleased. I expected it to be thicker, and then it feels kind of like a letdown because the tweed skirt looks like thick, nice material, and this was like pretty thin.
You know, it's not that bad, especially for the price.
So I can easily use this for work, so I'm not mad at it.
Here's another one that I got, and honestly, I chose this because again, it's tweed and it was having a sale at the time. I only hope that it fits me or else I'm going to cry.
Because it looked so pretty on the model, and I was going back and forth about the size. It doesn't look like it'll be itchy. This has a lot of these like gold little threads. What the heck? I hope that's not part of this. Yeah, I think it's embedded into like the clothing.
So as you wash these, I think it's gonna keep coming off.
There's a lot of dust coming out of this skirt though. Oh, it's pretty cute.
I do notice though that they are just a little bit more loose in this one.
And last but not least is another tweed set.
This one, I know I was really confused about the sizing. I looked at a lot of people's reviews and they were like, they said it ran big, so I felt confident in getting in sizing down.
There's another button again with this one. This button's actually different this time.
Ooh, I like the color of this one. It's very like pale muted lavender. The material isn't as thick as the first tweed skirt. I think so far material wise the first skirt is like the best and most high quality for me, but I'm not mad at this. I am not mad at it at all.
It looks like it's gonna be less scratchy than the pink one.
Size wise, shoot. I went with an extra small because again I read the reviews.
It does come with a top and it looks like this. Isn't that cute? It's giving me very much like Chanel Clueless vibes.
So we're gonna go try them out right now. All right, so here I wanted to try this on first. Excuse like my bra because I was too lazy to go and change bras right now. But the top fits pretty well.
It actually has stretch in here, so it's not like super tight. And this is a small right now, and I kind of wish I went with the extra small because look, I have so much space that I could work with.
While I'm wearing this, I might as well like show you guys what this looks like.
Why do I still look like I'm going to Harry Potter Wizarding World? Okay, now that we step back, it's pretty cute.
You know what? I'm gonna just start normalizing stretch marks and just saying, you know what? It's beautiful. Accept what it is. I have 2 babies, so
love me, love me. Oh shoot, I chose a size small in this one too. Maybe it won't fit. Oh no. The small definitely fits. Like this is my perfect size. Look at how pretty this looks. A little short, but I'm not like, you know, I'm comfortable with this. Definitely fits. See? I like this one. Oh my god. You guys, this is so cute.
oh my gosh. My gosh, I think this and the black tweed skirt, my favorite.
The other two, and these two. I kind of feel like a cute working girl. So I do have to say though, I've been wearing it for like maybe a minute now. It's a little itchy.
It's not the whole thing, but there's certain spots that just like feels like it's scratching my skin.
I think overall I give Shein a solid B.
Half of it was great, and the other half I wasn't like quite in love with. Obviously, there are inconsistencies with sizing.
I got a size small in the black, and then I got a size small in the pink. The black fit fine, and the pink was too loose. And then this one I got an extra small, and it fit fine. As far as quality,
For the most part, especially for what you paid for, I'm definitely surprised that the quality wasn't like a flop.
I thought it was gonna look completely different from the picture, but pretty much looks the same.
It's not like so itchy that I like can't wait to take it off. It's absolutely like tolerable.
And then the black one,
Gosh, I just keep talking about the black one. I think this one was the best.
it is not even itchy at all. Probably gonna have to like reinforce some of the stitching. There are a few loose threads and stuff like that, but I might order again if there's good deals. Then yeah, why not?
I'm not gonna be crazy to be like, oh my god, I definitely want to order again tonight. No.
I love these. I'm gonna wear these in like a photo shoot. Black one, it may not have been the quality that I was looking for as far as like the thickness of the material. It seems a little bit on the thinner side. It's not see-through, but it's still thin, so that's why it was more likely to wrinkle. But I'm not so mad because I know I could use that for work, so it's not like a waste. The pink one, I feel like it might be a waste, and honestly the only way it wouldn't be is if I changed like the straps and make it a little bit tighter for it to fit better, or I don't know about that one. Maybe we gonna give you away.
But it's so pretty. Like, I really wanted to love that one. Maybe we'll do like a photo shoot with it so it didn't, you know, quite go to waste.
Out of all the Asian companies or clothing companies that I have purchased and tried from, this is by far like the best. And this is not sponsored. As you can see, I mean, like I told you which ones I didn't like and which ones I did like.
With this one, I guess I had low standards. I thought they were all gonna look like crap, but I'm utterly surprised.
I think that's all that I have to say today. So again, I give them a solid B. This is their website. Go ahead, look at the stuff. They have good deals. And I think that's all that I have to say today. If you have any questions, comment it down below. Any suggestions or other clothing size that you want me to like order from and see and check out. And you can also follow me on Instagram at nurse_Kirsten. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you for some more.